The Canon RF100mm F2.8 macro lens is a groundbreaking medium telephoto macro lens designed specifically for full-frame EOS R series cameras, offering unmatched close-up imagery with a maximum magnification of 1.4 times. Its fixed 100mm focal length and bright f/2.8 aperture enable photographers to achieve beautifully blurred backgrounds and excel in low-light conditions. The lens features an advanced autofocus system that is both fast and highly precise, making it ideal for capturing stunning portraits and macro shots. A unique spherical aberration control ring allows users to adjust the shape and character of the foreground and background bokeh, providing creative flexibility for dreamlike or romantic images. Canon's innovative optical image stabilization, along with the hybrid IS system, ensures sharp and stable close-up shots and videos by compensating for camera shake. The lens's robust construction and superior optical quality make it an invaluable tool for image makers looking to enhance their artistic vision.